Hello children, now we'll see small recap between Indian number system and international number system. Now here we will see the between comparison between Indian and international number system. For that it is very easy children. As earlier only I told you, math is magic, learn math with fun. See, for that you have to write the places of both the number system. First we'll write Indian number system places, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. See, this you can use for any standard from lower to higher because all the digits are there, all the places are there. It can be up to 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, that way. Now, we will write the places of international number system, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Sorry children. 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Right? Now, draw a line between the places of two number system so that it is very easy to identify the difference. Now suppose, now check children, see here ones places are same, tens are same, hundred are same, thousand are same, 10,000 are also same. Now see the differences start from lakhs in Indian system and 100,000 in international system. So here start 1 lakh. See children, 1 lakh is equal to how many thousand? How many thousand? So if it is 1 lakh in Indian system, then how many thousand in international system? So 100. So it is 100,000. Right children? If it is, now you can multiply the numbers. Instead of 1 lakh, it is 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs is equal to how many? If it is 1000, then you can write 10 multiplied by 100, that is 1000. But if it is from Indian to international system again, then 10 lakhs is equal to how many million? So it is 1 million children. How many million? 1 million. Now let's come to the crore place. 1 crore is equal to how many million? 1 crore is equal to how many million? 10 million. So 10 crore is equal to how many million? Again 10 tens are 100, and as it is directly you can see the difference. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. So you can compare the numbers by writing the places of both the number system and directly you can compare it. No need to mark from the textbook. Only you have to write the places of both the number system and you can compare directly. Now instead of it is 1 lakh, if it is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh is equal to how many thousand? 500,000. Right? If it is 50 lakh, so 50 lakh is equal to 5 million. 5 crore, then it is equal to 50 million. 50 crore, then it is equal to 500 million. That's all. So isn't it magic children? Yes. Thank you children.